also showed it in a smaller tabletop version with the outside edges all in one color and the one circle inside. So it was kind of about this size like you see here. And it had square stars in the corners, dominant star in the middle, and then this middle wreath here was in a different color, and it just totally makes the quilt look so different. Now in this one, every one of the wreaths are done in the same color, in fact the same fabric. So this is basically a two-color quilt. You've got your red and your background. We actually had 3 different reds in it and a background to give it just a little bit of variety. And I'm showing this one color one first because I think it's really pretty in how the rings just circle around. Now I'll let you look at it just a little bit longer, and I'll tell you the story of the quilt that is in the book. So in the novel, there is a character called Mrs. Sewell, and she is the wife of the head of the military guy at the fort, at Fort Polk, and she's an avid quilter. And in the story, the girls make it to Fort Polk, and they're so excited to see another female, to be sleeping indoors, have a real bath, get some medical care for some injuries they've had as they've been going west in their wagons. And they see this beautiful quilt that Mrs. Sewell has made. And Mrs. Sewell decides later on in a story that she's going to trade the peddler for something that she wants really bad for this quilt. And she tells the peddler, if you can make it to Fort Worth, to the fort, you need to find Liz and her family, and she will purchase or trade this quilt with you because I know she really wants it. So the peddler was like, okay, great, I'm headed to Fort Worth. I'll make sure that Liz gets the story. Well, Liz's special guy finds the peddler, and he starts asking questions and finds out that Thomas knows Liz and that he's going back to Fort Worth, and so they go together, and Thomas actually purchases the quilt and he uses it as a surprise for Liz, and it's on the cover of the second story, and it is a very important thread that runs through the novels. And so I won't tell you any more about that because I don't want to ruin the suspense.